Welcome to Scissortail Farmers Market Cooking Series.
Sponsored by Shape Your Future. I'm JJ, this is my assistant. We're going to be making my Nana's pancakes at Florence's restaurant.
All right, let's get started. We're using farm fresh eggs from Farm and Fish Market in Oklahoma.
Okay.
You know what to do?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Good man. He's a pro. Taught him everything he knows. Very smart. Can I assist?
Maybe.
Oh, sure, we're adding all the liquid ingredients. Just because we like to put that in first so we can get it all mixed up and incorporated so we don't have to worry about lumps or an egg that didn't get mixed up properly. You ready for the dry ingredients?
Hold on. Okay, yes.
All right, I'm gonna add this a little at a time so he can make sure he gets it all mixed up. Think this was Nana's job on the farm?
I don't know.
Nana's job was actually churning butter. We didn't make our own butter today. Good job, Jay. Let me whip it for you.
This spoon today.
There you are. Now while that's getting hot,
Raspberry butter.
I'm gonna make the raspberry butter.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start with the raspberries, which look delicious, which are from Crow's Vegetable and Greenhouse. Crow's Vegetable and Greenhouse in Oklahoma.
It looks delicious now.
Raspberries is one of JJ's favorites. So I'm just mixing this up, actually just crushing these raspberries. Be careful, that's hot. It's gonna get hot, be careful. And then I'm gonna add a stick of butter. Pick my mallet out. And let me find something to mix this with. I'll just mix it with this.
Getting hot. I'm gonna start.
Not yet. It's not hot enough, babe.
It's delicious now.
And I'm gonna put in a little honey.
It's hot, but I can feel it from here.
Okay, good deal. All right, hold on. No, I just want to supervise. You ready? Man, you are good at this. You don't even need me. Careful.
Small pancakes today.
You are not even making that big of a mess, Jay. You are doing amazing. Okay, so how do we know when it's time to turn the pancakes over?
When it's all bubbly.
When it's bubbly on top? Yeah, you're right.
On all of them.
Okay, so we're gonna wait for that all to start bubbling on top, and then we're gonna turn it over. What's the secret to turning with those spatula?
I do it fast.
Do it fast. You're always in a hurry. Trying to get them in your belly, aren't you?
Looks like it. And it looks good. I'm ready for this. And when they're all done, They're going here
They're going where?
and here.
Go ahead, turn those over. Quick. Quick, quick, quick.
I need assistance.
Okay, I'm gonna do this one and you do the next. Okay, so quick. Now you're trying to kill it. It's already dead. Got it. Okay. Those look really.
And after these, we're gonna make some pancake art.
Those look delicious. Do you want me to get those up for you? Let me get it. They look fluffy. So I can tell you, this is a pound of Florence's pancake mix. It is a cup of cold milk, a cup of cold water, and a half cup of oil, and 2 farm fresh eggs. So we always mix our.
Only use 2.
And we always mix our wet ingredients first, just so we can make sure that the eggs and everything is incorporated, and then it's just easier when you put the dry ingredients in, and you're pretty much ready to go. Okay, so what are you gonna make with your pancake art?
You gotta make them backwards or they'll come out wrong. Just saying.
What are you making? Okay, can I make one? Okay, so I'm gonna make, what did she make? She made,
Oh, she made a heart. A heart first, smiley. Yeah.
some eyebrows.
That looks funny.
So the goal of this partnership is to bring easy, healthy recipes and tips to families using farmers market ingredients. Do you know that's why we're doing this? Because we want to show people how to cook with fresh fruit, vegetables, because it's more healthy. Strawberries your favorite, one of your favorites?
One of my favorites.
But raspberries are really your favorite?
Raspberry was my first favorite, and then it was blackberries.
Because you have to make up for all of that, what's it called? Pancake on a stick?
Uh-huh. Blackberries, the blackberries.
Got it, got it, got it, got it. There you go.
Oh, I remember.
Okay, so now we're going to put on our raspberry butter.
To make this look good and delicious.
Just put a few more raspberries on there. These raspberries look amazing.
I would eat this every day if I had to. I would.
So, there we have fruit, no syrup, flavored and sweetened only with fruit and a little powdered sugar.
Mm-hmm.
You ready to eat it?
Yes. It tastes delicious. We did good.
I think so.
Not too skinny, not too fluffy. Perfect.
For more information and videos, visit shapeyourfutureok.com and scissortailpark.org. Make sure to check out the farmers market at Scissortail Park every Saturday. As JJ said, he's making pancake at his Nana's restaurant. We're actually at Florence's restaurant in the heart of the East End, on the corner of 23rd Street and Fawn Shield, where we've been since 1969. So the restaurant is started in 1952. You gonna introduce your Nana?
This is my Nana,
What's her name?
Florence.
This is my Nana
My
Florence.
favorite baby.
I thought I was your favorite baby.
Well, you used to be.
That's what happens when you're no longer little and cute.
Yummy. Good. You did this? Wonderful.